ટાટા ગ્રુપ પોતાની કંપની ટાટા ટેકનોલોજીસનો IPO લઈને આવ્યું છે. ટાટા મોટર્સની સબસિડરી કંપની એન્જિનિયરિંગ અને પ્રોડક્ટ ડેવલપમેન્ટનું કામ કરે છે. આજથી IPO ખુલી રહ્યો છે અને 475 થી 500 રૂપિયાની પ્રાઇસ બેન્ડ છે. તો આ અંગે મેનેજમેન્ટ આપણી સાથે વાત કરવા જોડાયા છે. ટાટા ટેકનોલોજીના CEO અને MD વોરેન હેરિસ આપણી સાથે જોડાયા છે. વોરેન, વેલકમ and congratulations on strong response from the anchor investors book. How has been the demand so far and fund houses, and how was the anchor book allotment since you had to choose investors?
Sure. But first and foremost, thanks ever so much for your interest in the company. As you point out, we've been overwhelmed by the response from institutional investors. Both in terms of the quantum commitment, but also in terms of the quality of interest. We've attracted interest from the domestic mutual funds, the high end, top end mutual funds, as well as the global investors. We've got sovereign wealth funds in the mix. We've got climate change investors in the mix, and we think it's a very important step in the context of building a shareholder platform that will underpin the support that we will need for the company as we drive things into the future. We're excited about the business. We're excited about the momentum that we've established, and we're certainly excited about the process that we've been through to prepare the company for the public listing.
Okay, Warren, and currently how much business comes from Tata Group, and tell us more about your business.
Sure. We are a relatively unique company in that we are a pure play engineering service provider. Everything that we do is focused upon the manufacturing sector. Our purpose is to engineer a better world, and we do that through helping our clients create safer, cleaner products that improve the quality of life of people around the world. Our services proposition is segregated into two components. The first is product engineering. So we provide services that enable our customers to create products that they sell to their customers. And in that area, we provide services that extend from the provision of people, the standing up of offshore development centers, all the way through the turnkey outsourcing of complete products, and specifically vehicles and electric vehicles. The second component to our services value proposition is that we also work with the same customers that we work with on the product engineering side to help them select and deploy the technology on which new products are built. So we do a lot of work in the area of product lifecycle management systems, engineering resource planning systems, and manufacturing execution systems to help our customers implement a digital thread which underpins the way in which they conceive, develop, and launch products. In terms of our business, we're about 12,500 people today. We practice an onshore-offshore proposition. We're not an India out company. When you're entrusted with the responsibility of full vehicles, you're really being entrusted with the family jewels of the companies that you work with, and that requires a great deal of customer intimacy. And so we have typically a location that is close to our customers that enables us to manage the relationships with the key stakeholders, and that's the complement to the support that we receive from offshore locations, not just in India, but also in Eastern Europe.
Okay, Warren, now on EV vehicle front, what is the growth opportunity do you see further?
I think certainly the move to alternative propulsion systems, as well as the move to connected services and autonomous driving, I think that will provide us with significant tailwinds in terms of growth in the next 3, 5, 10 years. I think we're right at the beginning of the disruption that is going on in the automotive industry, and the fact that Tata Technologies has been in the electric vehicle field for some 12, 13 years, I think is a major differentiator to us. One of the things that that I always profile when I talk about our electrification journey is that that in 2012 we developed an EV concept vehicle for Mr. Tata that we revealed at the Detroit Automotive Show in 2012, and incidentally, that was the first show that Elon Musk revealed the Model S. And so we've been part of the electrification journey almost since the outset. And I think the fact that we can lay claim to have capitalized experience over that time frame, really positions our value proposition in a very compelling way in the context of what's happening within the industry today.
Okay, thank you for connecting, and best wishes for upcoming IPO and listing.